You're probably wondering why I'm walking around the shop right now, filming all my stuff. Well, I've been here 8 years now, and I just hit a new milestone. I'm about ready to buy another CNC machine. 2.5 years ago, I bought this one. It's been a good little girl for me. Been doing great, but we simply cannot even make the stuff fast enough anymore. The demand for the SMD products is through the roof, not just the electronics, but the fuse holders, the distro bars. Everything we sell sells out faster than we can even make it. So it's time for a new CNC machine. I can't wait, and it's coming tomorrow. Pretty crazy that everything we make is already spoken for a week before it's even made. I love it. Like I said, this machine back here, for what I paid for it, it does great. It's made a lot of money. It's done a lot of work. If you've been watching my videos for the past couple of years, this thing has almost always been buzzing in the background. I can't even shut it off long enough to talk in my videos because it needs to be running. One thing I don't really like about this machine is it doesn't have an automatic tool changer. So, the new machine will have an automatic tool changer. It'll be a lot easier on me. One huge downside though, my shop is getting smaller by the second, by the minute. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it. I wanna put it right here, but my towers are here, and my Donkey Kong machine is here. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to move some stuff. I have no idea where I'm gonna put those things. 8 years ago, we were able to play badminton in here. There's birdies up in the ceiling right now, I guarantee you. We used to be able to play wiffle ball in here. I had all the bases that I went over to Big Five and bought. They're over there in the corner somewhere. We used to be able to literally play wiffle ball in here. The home run fence was over there. Sell a couple DD1s, have a little bit of fun, chill out, play some ping pong, and go home. It ain't like that. It ain't even near like that anymore. It's a full-time job over here now. But that's okay, because we got the new machine coming in, and it's coming in tomorrow. So while this thing does its job like it always does, I got shit to move around and be prepared. I'm looking at the last time. These are going to be up against this wall. They've been here forever. Look at all that dust. Got all these 20 amp circuits dedicated just to this. They're going to have to be moved. That's easy. That's why they're on that cord. Hey, what up? Today's CNC day, CNC number 2. You saw me get the last one 2.5 years ago, and well, we're ready for another one. We've been real busy. This time we got the right size forks. Not like last time we used 2 forklifts. That's a nice forklift. Damn, I might have to buy me one of these. Super nice forklift. CNC day.
Why is that thing?
I don't know. It doesn't look like it's in a crate.
Why is it so tall?
The unveiling.
Huh?
The unveiling.
The unveiling. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Huh?
What does it do?
Another machine like the one I got in there.
Okay, what is that?
Make shit. Make shit with it. See, it's the Laguna maker. This thing is such a Cadillac.
Yeah, you got old. Hold on. Clear. All the way back? Yeah. Going backwards?
Towards that way, or
Yeah, it is. Huh? It is. What do you mean?
Am I good on this? It's so sketch, man.
Yeah,
Because
I know.
You probably should chain him up, and then we'll get the car dollies. We'll put car dollies, one on each corner. We'll roll it in there.
Can I take the fucking little platform things off? Still up the screws in the parking lot, guys.
Throw them right there. We'll add one.
Would do?
Probably. Look at that. So nice.
Are you standing on that thing?
Yeah, what?
Oh, dude, look at the remote. Oh my god, dude, no way.
Oh yeah, this thing's a control box.
Feel like something probably in there.
Do that on this. Alright, so I guess the next thing is, how do we get this thing off of here? I have no idea. I mean, we got some being held down by that angle iron. So how are we getting it off this crate? That thing looks broke?
Yep.
Bust off?
Yep.
Okay. No big deal, they'll fix it.
It just doesn't have the screws yet. Or, oh no, the screws are broke off in there.
Is it broke off in there?
There is, this one is right here.
This is a sheet metal screw, you alright? So I'm about to try to get in there and pick this thing without hitting the gantry. That's the next.
Go forward. Keep driver in, real slow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, hold on, slide forward you.
Gotcha. I'm still grabbing it?
Yeah, you're all it's all the way in there. Lift up. Shit, I think you're good, dude.
It's out of there.
We're gonna
We can take the pallet out now.
keep going, boss.
Are you able to grab that and maybe show it that way a little or no?
You ain't gonna be able to drive it in.
No, it's just talking about right there,
I'll be able to get it in the building now?
Slow down.
Slow down.
I don't even know if it's gonna fit long ways like this, dude.
No. It's gonna roll super nice. That's how we did the last one.
Keep rolling.
Here, watch this side. I'll watch this side.
Good? Going good? Ready?
Yeah, go. Wait. Get these hoses. Go ahead.
That's how we did it last time. So this end's got to go in first because this is going to go towards my desk. That's going to go towards the desk. Okay, ready? Push. Keep going. Try to get up that hill if you can. Once it's in here, this thing's easy. Hold on.
Going.
Pretty good. We're in. Nice. Oh, let's get this guy out of here. Just like Christmas. You want one of the keys? There's 4 keys. You want one?
Ooh, dude. I don't think I deserve one of those.
I don't either.
Wow, this thing is
I'll give you-
fancy, dude. This thing looks like the one over at Kong's, dude.
Let's get it out of here. You got this little handle. Set it down nice and soft.
Well, hold on, Steve.
Tell me when.
Oh my God!
Set her down, set her down.
My back.
Are you okay? Are you down?
You're good. You're good.
Here you go, man. Come on up here.
Stop for a second.
Come on. Other hand.
Stop.
Other hand.
Oh, I can't, dude.
I'm not used to embarrass me on the internet.
Oh, are we? Oh.
You left me hanging. Alright, come on.
You just need to make a hand. It's not even editing yet, dude.
Oh yeah.
Fuck.
Look at that.
Look at dude, we're the double fucking amigo bros. Can I do grace? I have to go home and make a fucking 5 grand with this bad boy.
I'm not gonna take me a nervous duker.
Oh, easy, the screw's digging in the fucking
Cardboard?
yeah, the table underneath it.
It's just cardboard, man. Alright.
It's not just cardboard.
Okay, let me grab the drill. Use that against the wall, I'll take it. Look at that.
Wanna press my line, got a fish hard. I'm on a long
He's live right now. All right, we got this thing in. It's not wired yet. None of the tools are here. That's all gonna happen in the next few days. But for now, check it out. Shop evolution. That's how we evolve. That's what we do. 2 machines running at the same time. No, we do it. Oh yeah.
thinking back, you gotta watch your back and play it well.